How to find hidden job opportunities. The hidden job market refers to opportunities that are never publicly advertised, often filled through referrals, networking, or internal promotions. To access these roles, you need to build strong connections, proactively reach out to employers, and position yourself where opportunities emerge before they're posted. Understanding the hidden job market. Definition: jobs not listed on job boards or company websites, often filled through internal candidates, recruiters, or word of mouth. Why it exists? Employers save time and money by hiring through trusted networks, avoiding the flood of applications from public postings. Strategies to find hidden job opportunities. 1. Networking. Build genuine relationships, attend industry events, alumni gatherings, and professional associations. Leverage LinkedIn. Engage with posts, share insights, and connect with decision makers. Informational interviews. Request short conversations with professionals to learn about their company and uncover unadvertised roles. 2. Direct outreach. Contact hiring managers, send tailored messages expressing interest in their team, even if no job is posted. Speculative applications. Share your resume and cover letter highlighting how you can add value. Follow up consistently. Persistence often pays off when roles are created or become available. 3. Recruiters and agencies. Many companies rely on recruitment firms to fill positions discreetly. Build relationships with recruiters in your industry. They often know about openings before they're public. 4. Internal mobility. If you're already employed, explore internal transfers or promotions. Express interest to HR or managers about growth opportunities within your organization. 5. Professional communities. Join industry-specific forums, online groups, and associations. Participate actively. Sharing insights can make you visible to employers scouting talent. 5. Volunteering and freelancing. Short-term projects or volunteer roles can lead to full-time offers. Employers often test candidates through contract work before offering permanent positions. Practical steps to implement. Create a target list of companies you admire and want to work for. Research decision makers and connect with them on LinkedIn. Craft a compelling elevator pitch that highlights your skills and value. Schedule weekly networking activities, calls, coffee chats, or online discussions. Track progress with a spreadsheet to monitor contacts, follow-ups, and outcomes. Risks and challenges. Time investment. Networking and outreach require patience and consistency. Rejection or silence. Not every contact will respond. Resilience is key. Scams. Be cautious of fake recruiters or agencies demanding fees. Always verify legitimacy. Why this matters in Bangladesh. For job seekers in Dhaka and beyond, the hidden job market is especially relevant because many employers prefer referrals to avoid overwhelming applications. Global migration opportunities often circulate through agencies and networks before official postings. Local-speaking professionals benefit from localized networking groups and alumni associations abroad. Finding hidden job opportunities requires proactive effort, strong networking, and strategic outreach. If you're already employed, don't overlook opportunities within your current organization. Many companies prefer to promote or transfer existing employees rather than hire externally. Expressing interest in growth, volunteering for cross-departmental projects, or discussing career goals with HR can put you in line for roles that never reach the public domain. Joining professional associations, online forums, or niche communities can be a goldmine for hidden jobs. Employers often scout talent in these spaces, and members frequently share insider information about upcoming vacancies. Active participation, whether through publishing articles, answering questions, or presenting at events, builds credibility and visibility. Sometimes hidden opportunities emerge through temporary engagements, volunteering for industry-related causes, or taking on freelance projects allows employers to see your skills in action. This pathway is especially useful for fresh graduates or career changers who need to prove themselves in a new field. To make these strategies actionable, job seekers should create a structured plan. Start by listing target companies and researching their leadership teams. Develop a concise elevator pitch that communicates your value clearly. Dedicate time each week to networking activities, whether that's reaching out to contacts, attending events, or engaging online. Neglecting skill development. Employers prefer candidates who evolve with industry demands. Avoiding these pitfalls is as important as following the right strategies. Keep track of your efforts in a spreadsheet, noting who you've contacted, when you followed up, and what the outcome was. Over time, this systematic approach builds momentum and increases your chances of uncovering hidden roles. Success lies in consistency, authenticity, and strategic effort.